Hello, everybody. So this is a demonstration of online movie ticket booking system and Android application that we're going to create. So this will be the landing page. As per the plan, there'll be a logo which we have not decided yet. So it'll be placed right here at the top of the landing page. And there will be two redirectioning buttons, which will be called the theater admin and user login. As you can see, if a person is a theater admin, he has to log in. If he is a new user, he has to sign up. And this shall be the user sign in, which has user details such as name, email, phone, password, confirm password. And for theater admin, we have more requirements: the name, hall capacity, phone, city, zip code, password, and single point of contact details, which will be basically the details of the person who will represent the theater. And the theater also has to provide its location. So we are enabling Google Map integration over here. And alternatively, manual entry can also be done. If the theater admin chooses to use a Google search for location selection, then this will be the redirected page where there will be a map view and where he'll be able to view where the theater is exactly located. Also, he can be able to see it in the list view. So we might be using some third party API to view what theaters are available in that specific city, which is available here in the sign in page. So for manual entries, just the zip code and the landmark are required. So that is how the theater admin gets logged in or signed up fully. And this will be the home page for theater admin. And the things that he can do here are add movie, add show, view movie, view show, and add banner picture, which is some theme photo that can be added to advertise his theater on the application.
Yes, uh, as admin page have add movie, add show, view movie, view show. Like if you click on add movie, it is redirect to another page. Like we have to provide few details like name, genre, category, star cast, and language. After providing all these details, if we have to click add button. After clicking add button, then these details will be saved in the database. Likewise, we have to provide show timings for that particular movie which is already saved in database. Like we have to search for a movie here which is already present in DB, and we have to provide date and time here. Like both date and time are dropped down. After clicking add, the show timings will be saved to that movie. I mean, it is linked to that movie. Likewise, we can view our movies which are already present in database. Like we can search by name, category, generic, star cast, and language. For example, if we take any one of these from here, it will, if we click on any one of these here, it will redirect to another page. Like there will be a search bar. We have to enter, if we are searching by name, we have to enter name. If we are searching by category, we have to enter category, and we have to click search. After clicking search, we will down below we will get a list of movies. If you click on movie, what movie we have to view. After clicking on that movie, it will be redirect to another page. Like we have in that page we have complete details of the movie, like show timings, movie name, I mean everything regarding movie. Yeah, this is the admin page. Like coming to user home. A user home have a banner pic like on the top side. Admin can advertise here, like upcoming events or shows or movies, everything he can advertise it here. Like user will have option to search movie and by city. If he provide movie name and city, I mean location, the list of movies and the show timings will be displayed like theater name, and the show timings will be displayed behind that, like 3 a.m., like 3 p.m., like that. Show timings will be displayed here. If you click on show time, then it will be directed to the next page. Like user can see the movie name, theater name, city, show timing, and price also will be displayed here. And after confirmation of the user, he can click proceed to book. If he click proceed to book, then it will be redirected to payment gateway. Like he can give card details, OTP, and everything. After clicking submit, then the ticket will be confirmed. Like in the ticket will be display movie name, theater name, city, show time, like that. And at last, there will be a button go home. Thank you.